Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to analyze data in Excel with the help of Pivot Table. This is the sales data of our client. Select the data and then press Alt, N, V, and T. Pivot Table fields in a new sheet will appear. If we want to know total sales region-wise, then take Region checkbox from Fields and place it in Row section. Further, take Sales Amount checkbox fields and place it in Value section. Here comes the summary of total sales region-wise. If our client wants to know that what is the total sales made by each salesman. In that case, first of all, uncheck the previous selected field from Pivot Table Fields section, and then drag the Salesmen field in Row section, and the Sales Amount field in Value section. Now here comes the result of the total sales made by each salesman to the company. Now, our clients wants to know that Brian, how many total number of units of each items has been sold by the company. I said I'll figure it out very shortly. Again, uncheck all previous selected fields which is not relevant. Now, select the item field which represents the type of item sold by the company and place it in the Row section. Furthermore, select the unit field which represents the number of units of each item sold by the company. Drag unit field in the Value section. Here is the total number of units of each item the company sold. You can also cross-verify the authenticity of summarized data. Just go on to the original sales data sheet. For example, just filter the desk item from item column and do the total of unit of desk item, which comes to 97 total units. Go to the Pivot Table sheet and check the total unit of desk item which we get through Pivot Table. Here it is also 97 units. Now our client wants to know that how much total sales made by each sales manager through their respective teams to know that what is the performances of each sales manager. Place the sales manager in Row section and sales amount in Value section. Here is the summary of the total sales done by each sales manager. Let us check the authenticity of the data. Just select one of the sales manager, for example Arif, from Manager column filter. Then do the total of sales amount made by the Arif through his team, which comes to 117,650. Check the sales amount figure of Arif, which we get through Pivot Table, which is also the same. So guys, this is the way by which we can analyze the data with the help of Pivot Table. Pivot Table is one of the most paramount feature of Excel. It is widely used in the corporate world from middle level to top level. Hope you enjoyed it. Link is in the description.